Hi friends, what is the procedure to record the statement of any person during the investigation that is made by any police officer? This is the subject which I am going to talk about. If something happens, if a crime is committed and the investigation is put on, it is going on, at that time the police officers need the statements during the investigation process. Suppose there is a crime which has happened and I am being supposed to be called by the police officer for further investigation. Then according to CRPC 160, the provisions which have been laid down in that particular section, if they want me to be present there, if they want my attendance for further investigation, if they want to record my statement, at that time they have to issue me a notice or summons in writing that we need your attendance, so please come and answer our questions. No police officers can require your attendance without prior notice. They have to give you written summons or notice that we want you in the police station. Not only this, when they want your attendance, they have to specify on what date they want to have your attendance, where they want to have the attendance, and they have to intimate that, they have to inform you prior if they want to have your attendance. If there is a kid which is below 15 years of age, if there is a person who is 65 or more than 65 years of age, if there is a woman of any age group, if there is a mentally challenged person, if there is a physically challenged person, then if the police are willing to have the attendance or statement of such people, then they can take the statement or they can demand the attendance only in their home, not in the police station. So if there is a 15 years of age child, below 15 years of age child, 65 plus, or any woman or physically challenged or mentally challenged, then the police people have to come to your home and take this statement and proceed further for the investigation. If I am being called by police people to give the statement, I am supposed to be present in the police station, and I am coming from far away, I am coming from a massive distance, then obviously there is a provision in CRPC 160 that the government may give me reasonable expenses for my up and down and for my milling expenditure. That is also a provision which is laid down in CRPC 160. But under no circumstances they can require your attendance or they can seek your statement without giving you notice or summons. I'll read the provision. It says that any police officer making an investigation shall, by order in writing, require the attendance before himself of any person. There has to be a written order. And further it says, the government may offer reasonable expenses to every person who is attending under this section. Now, once I am being called by giving written notice, then if I give the statement, then do I need to sign the statement? Obviously no. Any statement that has been made to the police officer need not be signed by the person making it. According to the provisions of CRPC 162, no statement made by any person to any police officer during the course of an investigation shall, if reduced to writing, be signed by the person making it. If the police officers, they take my statement, that does not mean that they need to take my signature. I'm just going to give the statement, that's it. They have to write it down and no signature is required. In reality, sometimes the police officers demand your signature, which is absolutely illegal, which doesn't fit within the four corners of law. So you need not sign the statement which you are making. So this is something which you have to keep in mind. If this procedure is not followed by police officer, then you can complain against the erring police officer to Human Rights Commission. You can go to a social organization, you can also contact SP, you can contact Police Complaints Authority, or you can straight away go to the criminal court and file your complaint. You can even go to high courts and issue and get the demand of issuing mandamus writ orders. That can also be done. Police are there to help you and you are there to help police people. So you both have to work together and proceed further. But in any case, no attendance or no statement can be recorded without prior permission issued under CRPC 160, and reasonable expenses have to be given, and the statement according to CRPC 162 need not be signed. If there is a 15 years of age person, 65 years above person, women, then they cannot be summoned to be present inside the police station. The police have to go to their home. So the law is there. Know the law, know your rights, know your duties, know human rights. Then only you can live the life with dignity and respect. Thank you so much.